Not 5. Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay. I think this is 5, so I'm going to mark it as 5. Anybody have any plans this weekend? What is this weekend? Yeah. Anybody have any exciting plans? We had a little bit of snow here. I think most of it's gone. But that means it's coming. It's coming. Sadly. Winter is coming. So yeah. You're putting up Christmas lights? Really? Like outside? I mean, I guess if the weather is not bad for it, then I guess this would be the time to do it. Saturday, yeah, outside in the windows, nice. I actually kind of wanted terror. It was 80 here yesterday. Oh. It was like 23 here yesterday. So like and that's Fahrenheit. So yeah. It was chilly here yesterday. I have my electric blanket all set to go here basically. But I haven't thrown on my winter jacket yet, so that says something. It was hot yesterday, but here too, but with all the rain it's like 60 again. Oh, I see. Let me make sure of something. Okay, I think that's right then. I did all the side quests, ranked all my social links and stats, got all my high tier archetypes. I'm ready to finish Metaform. Yay! That's exciting. What level are you, Marina? What level are you? $74? Okay, that works. Yeah, the girls were, I think, 73 or two, yeah, I think they were 73, 2 or 3 when they started the boss fight stuff. So you're good. You're good. You had like 10 days to spare at the end. Nice.